Mabait pala ito dalawa.
Pwede ko mabait pala. To trust me. Welcome to your Contrabida era.
Stop!
Yes.
History is the study of past events, particularly in human affairs.
Ma'am. Oh my God, ma'am. My former student. Let's see if you still remember. Dito sa college is all digging dirt. Very good. Hanapan niyo ng tao sa kanyang paghigantihan sa kanyang dating history.
So Academy has a kid? High schoolish or something like
Alukayin niyo.
okay.
Hanap at baho ang inyong target. The more scandalous it is, the better. At gamitin mo ang lahat ng yun para mapasailalim siya sa ilalim ng inyong hanggang lumuhod siya sa harapan ninyo at magmakaawa. At don't until he is
It is all about finding and creating your look as a primera restaurant. For the last.
on confrontational dog show. Gia, step forward. Just about